Hi, after watching the video clips, we can see how bacteria can help cause periodontal disease and cavities. And so we know the importance of reducing the amount of bacteria in our mouth. One way to do this is through brushing our teeth morning and night. That way we're breaking up the bacteria about every 12 hours so it doesn't have the chance to multiply and colonize in our mouth. Each time we brush, we should be brushing for 2 minutes. Most of us use a manual toothbrush or regular toothbrush, but I've given each of you an electric toothbrush, and the way that you use an electric toothbrush is a little bit different from a regular toothbrush. When you hold your electric toothbrush, you'll want to hold it with just 2 fingers. This way you can just guide your toothbrush along in your mouth. When you grip your toothbrush, you'll have a tendency to put a little bit more force onto your toothbrush. An electric toothbrush is already doing a lot of the work for you. It's already has a lot of power behind it, and so you don't want to put too much pressure because that will cause damage to your gums. So you'll just want to hold it with your 2 fingers. When you start your toothbrush, what you'll do is you just want to guide the toothbrush along. So holding it like I said, we're just going to go back and forth here. And it's rotating and it's doing all the work for you. So you just want to make sure you're going along and you're cleaning the teeth and you're cleaning the gums as well. And then when you clean the outside, you go to the inside and you clean the insides here. And then you'll want to clean the top as well. And then do the same thing on the bottom as well. Do the outsides, the inside, and then the top. If you noticed before, it did a little bit of a vibration, and it'll do that vibration after each 30-second increments, just like that. And that's to let us know, help you keep on track of brushing your teeth. It should take you 30 seconds to do each section of your mouth. The sections are broken up into 4 sections. So we have the left, outside and the inside, and the tops to the middle, the right, the lower right, and the lower left. It's the 4 different sections, and you want to make sure you're spending 30 seconds on each one of those sections. I also recommend that you brush in a pattern. So if you start on the top and you do all the outside of the top, then go in and do the insides, and then do the tops of the teeth. And then the same thing for the bottoms. You'll do all the outside, and then the inside, and then the tops of the teeth. And that way, if you always do the same pattern, each time you brush, you know that you're not missing a spot and that you're getting all the places. Where sometimes we're just going in there and we're going back and forth. We don't know where we've been or if we've missed a spot. Also, with brushing our teeth, you can brush with or without toothpaste. Either way, it's going to get your teeth clean, but I do recommend, and I gave everybody the Colgate Total toothpaste. And this toothpaste is a good toothpaste because it has an ingredient called triclosan, which helps to kill bacteria that causes periodontal disease. Also, it is not as abrasive as some other toothpaste, so it's a little more gentle on your gums. Another important part of brushing your teeth is to replace your brush head, and this just pops off just like that. As you can see here with this one, you can see that there's white and then just blue at the top, and that means that this brush head needs to be replaced, because they should look more like this, where it's blue all the way to the top. And that's just another indicator of when you should replace your brush head. When the blue gets to be about halfway, then that is when you should replace it, which is about every 3 to 4 months. And that is how you brush with an electric toothbrush.